let's take in some BTST trades before we wind up for the day. Kunal, what's your list like?
So I'll go with the buy in Laurus Labs. That's a stock which is inching towards a breakout above the 440 plus mark. So would suggest the target of 466. Stop loss to be kept at 433. And Aarti Industries is the other stock which is also giving a breakout in the hourly chart. So a momentum trade over here, targets of 700, stop loss at 650.
Right. Naresh, what about your BTST ideas?
So first would be a buy in Axis Bank, which is showing relative strength, stop loss at 1195, target price of 1230. Second is a breakout trade on Shree Cements with a stop loss at 26,950 and a target price of 27,600.
Anshul, Kunal, Naresh, great to have you guys on the show with us. And I'm going to hand it over to Vinny for the closing trades.
Not a great day, but you can see at least at the end of the day, Nifty closing almost at the day's lowest point, when you can see at one point of time it did touch those new life high levels. 23,411 is what we saw for the Nifty at one point of time, but right now 23,235, so clearly more than 150 basis points in terms of a fall that one has seen for the Nifty. Sensex 2 is down at 76,400 levels, and at one point we'd seen those 77,000 above that level Sensex for the first time, but yes, they didn't manage to hold on to some bit of a gain. At least for the markets, not much of a move that they've seen in terms of gaining in terms of the momentum, and couldn't hold on to that gains. Even the mid cap, that has also seen a fall coming in. The Nifty mid cap also will be closing in the red, down almost 0.04%, while in terms of the small cap, that's managing to hold on to gains still. That was the outperformer today, and that is what we've seen. Small cap, Nifty small cap index managing to hold on to 1.4% of gains. When you're looking at it in terms of the sectors today, we did have the IT names that were clearly under pressure. So Nifty IT also among the top sectoral loser today, down 1.8% in trade. So what dragged the markets today when you look at it? We had Infosys, TCS, all of them for the Nifty 50 which were under pressure. And other than that, we also had HDFC Bank, M&M, which caused some bit of a pressure on the Nifty 50 today. Other than that, we did see Infosys making the list right now as well. Why was Infosys in focus? What we understand is that Blackstone has sold stake in the company, and because of that, we've seen a lot of pressure that's coming on Infosys in terms of a block deal that happened, and that was today. We'll watch out for the names of the buyers that have come in, but yes, keeping an eye out on that. Other than that, let's talk about some of the other movers that we had. Bharti Airtel, that has entered a $100 billion market cap club, so we're keeping an eye out on Bharti Airtel. At least some positive news there today. While in terms of overall cement stocks, they were in focus, rallying away and buzzing away in trade, keeping an eye out on that, on the hopes that yes, GST rate cuts is something that could happen in the sector, keeping all the stocks abuzz, whether you look at Aramco Cement, India Cement, Ambuja, JK Lakshmi Cement, all of them buzzing in trade. Raymond too, at one point of time, was managing to hold on to very, very strong gains. We've seen news flows coming in there. We had GAIL, which saw an uptick but then a fall again. So let's keep an eye out on what GAIL is doing in trade and where that is headed. GAIL is also down 2.8%. At one point of time, it was up almost 1.5%. So yes, we did see a fall coming in for GAIL. While other than that, on the back of auto wins, we've seen a lot of move for KC International, Aluwala Contractors, all of them in focus today on the back of auto wins. But markets not managing to hold on to any gain today, and clear pressure by the end of the day, not holding on to gains, the Nifty and the Sensex, keeping an eye out on that today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.